Hey, what's up everybody? We're going to look at the fake whip and then we're going to look at the left side pass. This is what they look like together. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. From the leader's perspective, we're going to step off the slot to a 7 o'clock kind of angle. If my 12 is behind the follower, I'm going to close my feet. My follower is going to come past and assist me in getting back on the slot. And then I'll do my triple step in place to finish the move. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Then the left side pass, I'm going to step off to my 530, close my feet. Again, my followers will assist me in coming back onto that line originally, and we triple step on the spot at the end.
Followers, for the fake whip, what we need to do is we're going to walk down the slot on count 1. On count 2, I'm going to turn and step back into a closed position. From here, I have 3 traveling steps back for the triple step. 1, 2, 3. I kind of settle here before I do the anchor step, 5 and 6. For the left side pass, I've got my 2 traveling steps down the slot. 1, 2, I travel past through my triple step. 3 and 4, I get to the end of the slot. And then I've got the 5 and 6, the anchor position in place. So we have the fake whip, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and a left side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.